Okay, slowly coming along here. Got the lights on one side. Just on this side. Carbon fiber panel sitting right. Just gotta put the one up front and do the other side. I got the battery all set. Just gotta run my wires. Just gotta run my wires. This other part right here. Just gotta run my wires. Put that front part. Gotta put the adapter for my HID on that side, and it'll be all set. So I hooked up my Bluetooth to the controller right here, so my cell phone will control the lights. We have a little on and off switch here, but my cell phone will control the lights. This is a adapter for charging your cell phone or GPS. Hookup is right there. This is a USB hookup, fast charger. So got that all straight, nice and solid. So yeah, she coming along pretty good. She's gonna be looking real nice, real sexy.